Good afternoon, Year 2. It's Monday the 8th of February and today we've got a geography lesson with a bit of art intertwined with it. The learning intention for today is I can use basic geographical language to relate to human and physical features. And this is going to require you to have your geography work from last week with your two lists of features, human and physical, for the different places. This week we're going to be using poles apart again, this time to create our own landscapes. If you're not sure of the story, you haven't read it, or you want a refresher, you can listen to the story again from the video that Mrs. Gold uploaded last week. Refresh your memory about the human and physical features in each location. This is what we'll be focusing on today. If you need to listen to the story, pause the video now, and then we'll move on together when you come back. So we are going to be using this page for our inspiration today. This page, as you can see, is split into three and focuses on three different landscapes that we see in the book. You haven't got to use this page for your artwork, but this is what we'll be using today to help us. So let's remind ourselves of the difference between human and physical features. Pause the video now and tell an adult what you think the human and physical features are and how they are different. You can use the clues on the board to help you. Welcome back, Year 2. So just a reminder, the physical features are the things that would have been there even if no people were around. These are things like seas and mountains and rivers. They're all natural. The human features are the opposite. They're the things that humans have built, like houses, roads and bridges. Take a really close look at this page and discuss the choice of background colour for each picture, how these link to the climates of each place. Secondly, discuss the physical features you can see on these pages and how these have been shown. Not only thinking about the geography side of things, you also need to think about the art side of things and how they've been illustrated. Pause the video now and talk to your adult and come back when you're ready. Welcome back. So looking at the image seen on the screen now from the America page, we can see things like skyscrapers, the church and the road. These are the human features of this place. So look at your geography work from last week. This is what you're going to be using to help you with the art today. You should have compared two different locations from the story and recognised both the human and physical features. You might have made a list or drawn and labelled it. Find this work now and just refresh your memory by talking to your adult about what you found out for each location. Now it's time to create your own landscape illustration for these two places. If you would like to change your mind and do a different landscape, this is fine. Just find the page in the book and make some notes about the colours that you can see on the background. The first thing you're going to need to do is to find a piece of paper. I'm going to use an A3 piece of paper and split your page in half horizontally. So you end up with two long rectangular boxes. Now you need to stop this video and go and find part 1 and part 2 of the videos for art to use to help you with the illustrations. This will demonstrate how to use pastels and black pen to recreate the illustrations for these climates. Have fun doing this task and we can't wait to see your work on email when you are finished.